Hey, are you working for your dreams but not getting any closer? Or at least you feel like you're not getting any closer to your dreams? I am Kimberly. I am also, to be completely honest, and I want to share with you some of my issues that I have had in the past, right? And what I am working towards resolving. And maybe it will help with you resolving it as well. Okay, so I have struggles with the confidence of getting in front of the camera, right? So if you go back and watch some of my older posts, you'll see this girl is having all kinds of issues. And I do still have my issues, my quirks, but you know, that's what makes me unique, and I'm okay with it. I credit the Legacy Builder program for keeping me consistent, offering me opportunities, ways to work through my issues, right? And so this, on top of the teaching you how to work this 2-hour workday that everybody talks about, teaching you how to go through and copy and paste your ads, going through and teaching you how to do your live videos on each specific platform and how to tweak it to where it's just a little bit different for each platform. So if you are interested in something like this and working from the ease of your home, as long as you have Wi-Fi and a computer or a laptop or even just a smartphone, okay, you can do this. And you can absolutely do this from anywhere in the world, right? Here I am on the other side of the world to show you that, yes, you can. So go up into my bio, whatever platform you're on, because this one is my basic video, right? So go to my bio, enter your email address, take a look around, let me know what you think, okay? There are 4 different programs, so if you can't get the biggest one, stick your toe in, get the smallest one, get the next size one, just whatever fits your budget at the time. Because within 30 days you can upgrade and it doesn't cost you anything, okay? So that we have that one. Thank you for showing support and watching the video all the way through. Absolutely appreciate the ones that do. And y'all stay blessed, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.